guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is BrightCode. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, turn on bell notification too. So in today's video, we'll take a look how to create this profile page with tab, that with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, bell notification, see more, see less. This was done using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with rating too. If you want to know how to do it, just follow this video throughout it, don't miss anyone. It's not that much when you know how to do it. So this will be it for this video. This is what we are going to be creating. It is also responsive to, you can see here, both for mobile tablets too. You can see this special in case you want to have a nav bar, then you can add it here. Very responsive and it's consistent too. Alright, then this is what we'll be creating today. If you want to know, please follow the video and let's get started. Alright guys, as usual, let's start with our HTML, image profile page, and then link our CSS style sheet, style.css and jQuery, and also, if I forgot, fonts. Alright, then our script, because we're going to be using jQuery too. Oh yeah, sorry. So it should be jQuery.js. Okay, then let's get started. I have a div name container and our profile header, which is the header. Then our profile image. Sorry for the weird naming. You can't blame me. And also our image with the source bg. Very big. Let's just make it now so that it will be easier to see other things. Maybe 200. Let's leave it like that. Later we'll change it. Then after that, create under the profile image, profile nav info, which is both the name, that will carry the name, history, right, class, user name, made BrightCode, can name it as anything. So the address of the user, so that should be p id state. We'll just give it to the class one. This can also use backend too, but the backend I'm not going to do it now. Maybe after I've gotten enough subscribers. I might even type in states. Alright, I don't know if New York is a state, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then a span of country. Country should be USA. Alright. Great, there should be our profile option, which is this. This is what we are going to do next. Okay, that should be profile option, then notification, and I dot far dot bell. Okay, after that, the span. That should be the number of alert messages message load, I'll give it 1. Good. Alright, so that, let's go to the main body. Main, let's name it main BD. Okay, just need some space. Alright, let's name this one left side, which is the sidebar. And under that we have profile side. Great. Then mobile number. That should be mobile, or should I just make it easier? Mobile number. And it should be I dot far dot far phone. Wait. You can just add a number here, 23470 la 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 ttt. After that, then our email dot user mail, which also I dot far. Now we should make it as envelope. Great. After that, let me give it, just write my email address. Okay. And oh, before I forget, this should be paragraph. But you can still use any other one too. Now next one will be user bio, which is the user info. Lauren 15. That should be plenty, right? No, let me add on that one. Lauren 5. Right. Okay. Then after that we have the profile button. Okay, profile button. That is the chat. And the create. We want to create a post. The button dot chat button. The first one should be I dot far comment. Okay, and that should be chat. And the next one should be button dot create button. It should be I dot far plus, and that should be create. Good, we're getting somewhere. And next thing, our user rating. And history dot rating, which is normally 4.5. Okay, and also rate. Beside it we should have dot star. I should not, let's just give it I dot far star. Just copy it 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. That looks reasonable. Alright, then after that, okay, before we continue, we should make this inside a div. Good. And then add a span. A span of number of user. And stay inside that span. We should have under span again. Which is 1, 2, 3, and then give it a space, another space, and then reviews. Alright, after that, let's move over to the right side. And you give it nav. You guys can see clearly, right? And then list on other list, li with class of user. Let's do this 3 times. Alright, this will be user review, and this will be user setting. Right, and also we need to have, this should be the active one. This is going to be the first one you see, so that when you click, want to do the tab, so you can see this tab, so that when you click on it, so that should also be tabs. 0, copy it to the other ones, tabs 1, tabs, and this should be 2. Okay, after that we have a profile body. Profile post, which is the posts, the content, and the tab. Let's make it to 3, and this should be profile review. Should be profile sections. So these are the things that are going to contain inside in the tab. So on each one, G0 posts, and the P with Lauren is 70. That should be okay. And also have this one, H1, which should be user reviews. Also a paragraph, around 17. Same goes for this other one too. Page 1, we'll give it account. Account setting. Alright, account setting. The paragraph of more than 70. You can still add any other thing you want. Save. And I think that should be all for the HTML. So now we are just going to move over to the, let's leave this as views. Now we're going to jump over the style sheet, which is the main thing. And before we forget, we have not yet linked our our main javascript. Okay, now for our style, we have a body, background, just make it light, good, overflow, X hidden. We don't want it to go, don't want it to overflow here from this side to this side. Okay, after that, padding top, that should be 90 pixels in case you have enough bar, like I said earlier, and a font family of Poppins. Good. and sans serif. Alright, there you go. And also margin 0, 100. Yeah, that was it. You really don't have to do it, but if you want to do it, you can still use this one. Then profile image, and we'll do the image. Float should go left. Should have a width of 3, 40 pixels, height 200 pixels. Right. Then profile image and the image, border radius, let's say 50%. Ooh. Height 3, 230 pixels, width 16, 230 pixels. Good. Order 4 px solid with white. Good. Solid white. Box shadow 0 pixels, 5 pixels, 10 pixels. RGB 0.0.2. Alright. Then position absolute, since we are going to be moving it around, so we need a position absolute. And also left should be 50 pixels. Good. For it to be good up, profile image. Okay, in order to see what we are really doing, let's put the header, because right now you just see things moving around, you're not seeing what we are doing. Background white. Okay, and then that should be 100%. Display flex height 190 pixels. Position relative, so it should contain everything inside like that. And box shadow 0 pixels, 3, 4. Okay, 0.2. Good. Now you can see where we are going to move in it. So top 20 pixels. And also Z index, it should confront, should be above others. Then background, give it a background of white, just in case the image did not appear. It should have a background white. After that, oh sorry about that. Alright, then let's move over to the info, which is this. Should be profile nav info. Profile nav info. That should be float left. Sorry, float, not flex. Left, should move over to the left. Flex direction, column, and justify content, center, pixel, padding top, maybe 60 pixels, sorry, 60 pixels. Okay, let's just grab it, grab the class, bring it down, and h3, which is the name, font variant, show me the small caps, Good. Font size 2 rem, and it's much bigger. Font family sans serif. Okay. And also font weight, that really doing too much, you can just leave it out. Then next to be the address. Let's make sure it's that address should reflex, should be on one line. Okay. Font weight good, and that made it good. Color should make it a little bit gray. Good. And should give it a space. See, the New York and USA, they are almost close, so I should give the margin right 5 pixels. Alright, that should be it for you. And also, and now we should be able to do the notification, which is profile option. Let's give the width of 40 pixels and the height 40 pixels. Everything background 40046. Let's just make this, since we are going to be using it very well, so just in case we want to change it, let's use a variable. And color, that should be FE40046. So that should be variable of color. Good. Alright, that should be it. So in case you want to use it, and also position absolute, we'll be moving it to the right side. Right, 50 pixels. Okay, let's just put this over so I can see it clearly. Alright, 50 pixels, top 50%, and transform, translate, that should be translate y minus 50 pixels. Okay, nice. Oh, clear and border radius, you really need that. Circular. Now I want the items inside to be in the middle. Display flex, justify content, center, align items, center. Now good, you can see it's in the middle. Then so I want it to be pointer. After that, transition all 5 seconds is in out. Then outline, non background, we will give it a background. Alright then, good. Now they'll move the hover effect. When it hovers, want the background to be white, you can still use it anyhow you want, but for me, this is what I want it to do when it hovers. 1 pixels, solid, column, yeah, exactly. Okay, now I want the notification, which is the bell icon. See, when we hover over it, the bell icon is still, but before that, let's give the bell icon, which is the notification, that should be high. So that is the tag we use. So we make it color of white, okay, and then font size, that should be 1.2 rhyme. Now it's a little bit bigger. Transition, or should we just copy this for that one? Good. Alright, that should be transition. And then for the other, so when we hover over, it's only the background change. So we want the icon to change to, let's do it this way. Okay, so when the option, the background is hover, then the eye, which is the tag, we want it to color to be the variable. Good. Alright, now for these alert messages, what we are going to do next, that should be profile option, the notification, the alert messages, not messages, message, position absolute, top -5 pixels, right -5 pixels. Good. Background, need to have a white background. And a color, that should be variable color. Okay, then we should give it a border so that it will be easy to identify it. 1 px solid, and a padding 5 pixels. Good. Now it's coming out. Then border radius should be circular, 50 pixels, and give the height 20 and a width 20 pixels. So now let's make it to appear in the middle. Display flex, justify content center, align item center. Good, and that is it. The font size 0.8, a little bit smaller, 0.8 rem, sorry. Okay, font weight bold. Alright guys, now okay, then let's move on to the next one, which is the main body, main BD. That should be width of 100% as always, since it's going to contain almost every place. Display flex, good. Padding right, sorry, padding right, that should be 15 pixels. Great. And then profile side, which is the left side, let's move this over here. Okay, then profile side, width of 300 pixels. Good. Background, that should be white. Box shadow should be 0, 3, 5, and RGBA should be 0.0.0.2. Great. And padding, since the image is covering some, so we are going to give it 90 pixels top, then 30 pixels left, right, and 20 pixels bottom. Great. That's how it should be. The next one should be, let's see, profile side, the paragraph, that should be margin bottom 7 pixels, should have a spacing, and also should have a color which is 333, and then font size should be 14 pixels. Great. That should work out well. And then for the eye, which is the icon, the icon should have color, that should be variable color, good, and then some spacing, which is margin right 10 pixels. That should work out. But before then, let's give it a different font family of breeze serif using Google font. Then serif is not showing right now. Hold on. The font is not showing. Hold up. Oh, just move this over to the top. Let's see. Alright. Maybe the URL should always be at the top before any other thing. Alright, the next margin left 10 pixels. Good. And then Z index +99. Alright then. And also this icon, I tried using, that should be, where is it? I tried turning it left alternative, but it does not show. So instead I used what I did was that I did on mobile number icon, which is where it's supposed to be. That should be, sorry, mobile number I, then should be transform, sorry, transform, that should be rotate Y 180 degrees. Okay, that should fix it. And now for the buttons, which is this chat and create buttons dot profile btn display flex, that should be it. Then button dot chat btn, and also button dot create btn. So we should not have any border 0, padding, that should be 10 pixels. Okay, width should contain the whole place. Since it's display flex, which means it will not go down, this one will not go down. But if you were to remove display flex, as you can see, it will go down. You can still leave it like that. So let's just take it back. Alright then after the width, we have border radius 3 pixels. Don't want it to be much. Then background should be variable color. Great. After that, you should have a font family of serif and serif. Or should we just leave it as no? Let's just add serif too, just in case the serif didn't work. The second option will be sans serif. Then the font size should be 1 rem. Great. 1 rem. Margin should be 5 pixels, 2 pixels. Great. Let's just make it down, and then give it a cursor, pointer, outline. Don't want any outline when we click on it, and margin bottom. Margin bottom, that should be 10 pixels. We should have a spacing down, and then transition, that should be background. That's the only thing we want to be transitioned. 0.3 seconds. That should be 300 milliseconds. Is in out. Box shadow. That should be 0, 5, 7, 0, RGBA 0.0.0, then 0.3. Great. Alright, that should be it. Then for the hover effect, and just pick this. Oh yeah, forgot the color. Okay. And the hover effect. Hover. Background, we just change it to a little bit lighter. That should be 288. It's still the same thing as the variable color, which is this color. So 2880. For this one is the RGBA 070. So if you do it like this, let me say 1. See, I'm always the same thing. Well, I want to use it as 0.9. Wait. Alright then after that one, we should, the icon, we should give it a spacing. That is it, right? And that spacing should be margin right of 5 pixels. Okay, okie dokie. Let me bring this thing up. After that, user rating. Now we want to remove user rating. That should be display flex. And the user, the H3, which is the 4 points. That should be font size 2.5. It should be bigger. Font 200. Okay. Margin right. That should be 5 pixels. Sorry, 5 pixels. So we should have spacing. Meta spacing 1 pixel. And then color. I don't like the too boldness. Good. 66. Woo! Maybe I should change it. Nah, just leave it. Do not save it for anything. and then number of users. What did I even name it? Let's see. That should be after all this. Later we are going to use the C more, C less. This in this case now, what we are going to do in this C more, C less, that we are not going to add a span and then maybe click it C more, C less. Instead we are going to use JavaScript, because this is a profile page. It's like the bio, so the user will really want to input the values here. Or the user, you will not know the length of what you do, so you cannot use span. So instead we will use JavaScript to manipulate it to go shorter and then come out again. That's why we are not doing the span and everything. So hold on, I forgot to put something now that I've seen it. Forgot to, sorry guys. History, that should be bio. Okay, don't need any styling or anything, it should be okay like that. Then what was I? The user rating, that should be number, that should be number of user, which is number user. So number user, and that should be font size, that should be 0.9 rem. As for this star, I only use HTML to put it, but you're supposed to use JavaScript, but not yet. So I'm not going to use any JavaScript or HTML JavaScript right now, since this is don't want to go that far yet. But if you still want more, I'll still be adding some, so you can still subscribe. Maybe later I'll upload, I'll subscribe, I'll still add more. Then let's now go to rate, which is padding top 6 pixels. Great. Then rate.i. The rate I should be font size, in the same thing as 0.9 rem, and color, that should be color. Good. Alright, we are done with this side. Now we should move over to this other side. Hold up, I'm doing a mistake. How many mistakes am I doing today? I haven't added anything here. Posts, and also that should be reviews, sorry, and user setting, or should I just put setting? That way to be just settings. And now .nav, which is, that should be width, not width. And also z index -1, and now for the nav ul should be a display flex. Justify content center, 20 to the center, and then it's going, but let's just leave like that. List type, we don't want it to have anything, and then height. Right now you're not seeing it, but if you want, you can be using as I'm doing, you're following me, that way to be easier to see it yourself. But right now, background and box shadow should be 0 pixels, 2 pixels, 5 pixels, RGBA 0.0.0.0 up 0.3. Should we do that 3? Okay, 3 sounds okay. And now the nav ULLI, that should be padding 10 pixels and a width of 100 pixels, 100%. Okay, and then should have a cursor pointer, sorry, test align center, center rate, and then transition, that should be all 0.200 milliseconds is in out. And now let me grab this quickly. Now it should be active, the active one, which is the first one. And then when it's over, it should still do the same thing. That should be something like this one is active when it is hovered, and also when any one of them is active. That will be using jQuery. Alright, then that should be box shadow. That should be 0 pixels minus 3 pixels 0 pixels RGBA. That should be 288 070.9 insert. Great. So when it is over, but right now we have not done anything with it, not yet. So should we do it now? How about we do it now so that it will be easier to understand? That should be the nav ul li dot click. When we click the nav, they want a function and this, which is the nav that we click, this dot add class active, which means if we click any of the nav, then we should add the active should be added to it. Then the siblings, which is the other one, these are the siblings. See this, these are the siblings. So what do we want the siblings to happen? Because if we put dot add class, let me see, for example, this dot add class, refresh, you see, it's all of them, they are going to be the same thing. So what we are going to do now will be dot siblings. That means when we add to the one that we clicked, we want the siblings own to be removed. Remove class, remove class active. Great. Refresh. Now when we click this, the siblings will be removed. Siblings will be removed. See. So what you see, this one is active, you can see over. So that is it. And then for the alright, then let's continue. Now the profile body. Now we're almost getting done. Profile body, that should be width of 100%. That should be Z index of -1. And then the tab. This tab now we are going to use. Let's hold on. We'll get there. Let me just, instead of confusing you guys, 20 pieces. Width 100. Width 100%. And test align center. Now let's put display none. So I see display none, it's not displayed. And this too, because there's nothing inside. That's why since it is 100%, there's nothing inside. So until there's nothing inside for it to be moved. So now let's go to our, this would be for the, no, there's no limit. Okay, alright then. Here we named it tab. That should be user post, user, that should be nav, viewer, blah 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 blah. And this, we gave it a class of tab. So in our main.js, what we are going to use, query selector const tab btn. That should be the button we are going to click. Document dot query selector. That should be the nav ul li. Wait. Control V. That should be, this should really be tab. which is the tab that's going to be displayed when we click the button. That should be dot tab. That's what we gave it. And now let's have a function tabs should be parameter of panel index and tab. Now we are going to look through it for each if the function and the parameter of node. So for each of it we should style.display none, since it is displayed none. After that, cancel. Then tab, is it tabs? Hold up. Alright then this tab should tabs, then panel index. We should carry this parameter as the parameter panel index dot style dot display block. Okay, then the tabs, the one that should appear first should be 0, should be the first one. Let's check. It's not working. What have I not done yet? No. Oh, okay. Still not. Tab. Okay. All, it's supposed to be because there's more than one. Please work. Yes. Now you can see it. And that should be almost it. So let's work on this. Later we go to mobile, the responsive. Let's go to the CMOS. That should be. Let's bio equal. Hold on. Yes. So let's bio. This one is not selected since it's only one. Dot bio. And what should we do is function with the function of bio test. What I'm going to do bio. So this is what should happen. For now, let me leave this first. Let's just make it smaller. So bio dot inner test. Inner test is like the test that is in it. If you want to get the test that is in it, or you want to join to the test, that is inner test. The content. So bio dot inner test dot substring. So start from 0 and 100. Let's do it 100. And now let's call our function. Please work quick. Great, as you can see. Now to add more something to it, let's add plus. Oh, sorry about that. 1. Great. That means it's continued. You can do 50, you can do anyone. Okay, then to now add the CMOS, what we now do is bio dot inner HTML plus import to. Since we already have this, we don't want to override it, so that's why we have plus equals to, which means what is inside here, we want to add another thing to it. So plus equal to space first. You should give it a space. NBSP plus, that should be then span, let's use parentheses, span, on click. We are going to do this one later, sorry. The on click event should be bio test. We are going to talk about this one. After that, we'll give it an idea of seeing. Sorry, like this one here. C lex. Sorry, C more bio. I'm blaming. I just feel like leaving it like that. And that should be C space more. Sorry, this one should be add length. Add length. So we click it, the length should increase. After that, we should close our CMOS spawn. Let's check, is it working? Yes, see more. So before that, let's style it first. Let's go to tab. So see more by the color blue so that it is easier to see, and cursor pointer, and then test transformation lowercase. Let's give them lowercase. Alright, that should be it. So when we click on it, nothing is going to happen, because for that we need to do now to create the CMO. If you want to do this like this CMO, it's not going to work, because in this case now where you have the CMO, where you cut it out, it's going to be cut out from the system, so you cannot retrieve it like this, the way it is. Even though you click it, you do any method, you cannot click it. So what you are going to do is that the text that the user inputted, that means maybe the user input, what you are going to do is store it. So what you are going to do, like store it in, which is the test, which is old test, because you cannot retrieve it. Why immediately you just use this substring, you slice it off, you cannot retrieve it. So instead of trying to retrieve it, you should store it in a variable, then later you use that variable to not get it. So this way we are going to store it dot inner HTML like this. Sorry, inner test. So bio.o now has the old one, the one that we have not touched. Then this one is the one that we have cut out. The one that I've not cut out will be stored inside here, so that it will be easier to retrieve. Now to retrieve it, what we are going to do is create another function, which is add length. Now that should be bio.innerHTML. So this inner HTML, I want to add bio.old test. So which means this old test now, bio.old test, which is, so this is the on click event. So when we click, you see it is added. When we click on it, it is added. That's what it means. Since we have stored it here, the old one, even though it is long, we are still going to bring it out. Now let's add our CLS. Then bio dot inner HTML, that should be equal to space first. Should I use this? It should be easier. Control V. I mean plus equal to span bio des, When you click it, it should be value test. So which means this again is going to happen. Which means you cut out, then see less, and then see less. So go to styling, see less value. Okay, let's check it. Yes, see less, still has some. Okay, alright, that should do it, guys. And for this other, now where were we? It should be at the bottom. Or no, let's leave it here. Let's move on to the next one, which is, I'm thinking it's responsiveness. Should be responsive. Let's move over to it. So right now it's not responsive at all. So what we're going to do is let's leave it like this first. I'm going to use that when it reaches and medium mass width, when it reaches 1100 pixels, on the profile side. Alright, give it a width 2, that should be 250 to be smaller. Great. And also padding 90 pixels, 15 pixels, and 20 pixels. Alright, that should be all for the profile side. Then for the image, let's reduce the image a little bit. Dot profile img. That should be height 200, width 200, top left 50, left 50 pixels, and top that should be 52. Great. Now that's it for the 1100 pixels. There we need another media query. Mass width 900, which is before, and it switches 900. Let me do with 76. Okay, then that should be body. Reduce the margin 0.20 pixels. Great. After that, we go to the profile header. Profile header, and that should be display flex, height 100 pixels, flex direction, column, text align center, then padding bottom, that should be 20 pixels. Alright, after that the next one should be the profile image, profile img float left width 100%, height 200. Then as for the image, profile img, the image should be positioned relative. Good. Then let's go to the middle, height 200 pixels, width 200 pixels. Let me see, that was the same thing. Then which means I'm not going to read it here since it's almost the same thing with this there, and there. Alright then, left 0. Now it is perfectly positioned in the middle. Yeah. Alright guys, then after that, the nav info, profile, nav info, test align, center. That one does not want to align. Your profile option, which is the notification right there, should be right 20 pixels. Good. Top 75%. Okay. And translate 50, which is transform, translate y 50 pixel. Good. Alright guys, after that we should be moving to the main body. See, it's a little bit scattered. Where is it? Let's go like this. Dot main body. That should be flex direction column. Good. Flex direction column, padding right 0 pixels. After that, profile side, the width should be 100. Should take the entire page. Test align center. Okay. Padding 20 pixels. Margin 5 pixels, 0 pixels. This is more like it. Alright, then after that we should move over to the, sorry, I forgot to use, let me just keep it here so that it's easier to understand. The address justify content center. Good. Now they are all align. This hold up, that should be user rating. User rating justify content to center. Alright, now let's do media queries for mobile. Let's just add some things. Okay, 400 pixels. That should be body. Margin maybe 5 pixels, or should I put 0? Okay, sorry guys. How about here? Great. Okay, 0. Profile header h3, which is the name, or should we leave like that? Let's see, the name is okay, right? Nope, not okay. And that should be, let me say 0.8 RAM. Sorry about that. No, 2.9, 1.9, nope, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 should be 7, should do it. And as for the address, be P, right? Font size 0.9. Okay, that should do it. Okay guys, after that we should move over to the profile. Let's make it more smaller. Should be 30 pixels. Height 30 pixels. Nice. Position absolute right 15 pixels and top 83%. Alright, after the profile option, the notification. Option the notification dot alert message. That should be top -3 pixels. Sorry about that. After top right -4 pixels. Okay, then padding 4 pixels. Height 15 pixels. Width 15 pixels. Font size 0.7. That should do it. Alright, profile now, they're all done. What is it again? Oh, we forgot this one, and that should be span, right? Alright, that works. And the next one should be none. Alright guys, that should be it. Wait a minute. Okay, still have, this is supposed to be like 5 pixels or 10 pixels to give it more spacing, right? Alright guys, this is it for this video. Just profile page we just worked on. So now you can know how to create it to be easier for you. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.